Hello, today we will guide you through how to open a demo account with IC Markets. To begin, open the Secure Client area and go to the Home dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your profile, accounts, and platform options. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so you can access the account management section. Once you are on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Accounts. This section is where IC Markets keeps all of your live and demo account options in one place. Taking a moment to get familiar with this menu can make it easier to find other tools later as well. After the Accounts page opens, find and click on Open New Demo Account. This option allows you to create a practice trading account, which is useful if you want to explore the platform, test strategies, or get comfortable with the trading environment before using real funds. Next, you will need to choose the platform type. Click on MetaTrader. This is the option shown in the process here, and selecting it will move you to the setup form for your new demo account. Make sure you choose carefully so the account matches the platform you plan to use for practice. You will then be asked to enter the required information. Fill in the needed data shown on the form. As you do this, take your time and review each field before moving on. Demo account forms may include settings related to the trading platform, account preferences, or other basic setup details. Enter everything accurately so the account is created with the configuration you want. Before continuing, it is a good idea to quickly double-check your entries. Even when setting up a demo account, reviewing the information can help you avoid choosing the wrong setup and save time if you need the account ready right away. Once you have completed the form, click Proceed. This submits your demo account request and moves you to the next stage of the setup. From there, your demo account should be created based on the details you entered. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of opening a demo account with IC Markets. If you are following along on screen, move slowly through each page and confirm your selections as you go. That simple habit can make the setup process smoother and help ensure your demo account is ready to use without any confusion.